Hey y'all, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Oaks and Company. I'm so glad y'all are here today. If you're returning, thank you for coming back and supporting me. And if this is your first time here, I appreciate you stopping and checking me out. I hope that y'all had an amazing Christmas. We did. It was great and relaxing. Lots of great food and seeing family. We still have one more to go with our grandbabies and our children, so that our grandbabies can be home on Christmas morning. We celebrate Christmas with them on New Year's Day. So I'm so excited to see all my grandbabies really soon. So on the day I was recording this, it was December 26th, the day after Christmas, and I was just trying to get in a speed clean. We were getting ready to go out of town, and I did not want to come home to the house being dirty, so I wanted to go ahead and get as much done as I could. So when I get back and start preparing for our kids and grandkids to come, I just have like a couple rooms to do and some grocery shopping. So I hope you enjoy this ultimate speed clean, and it's fast and quick, so I hope it gives you some much needed motivation and gets you on the path to getting up and checking some things off of your list. So I wanted to share my big news with y'all. I have recently quit my job. It was a very scary thing for me to do. I've always worked, sometimes multiple jobs, and it was just a much needed thing. I have been a legal assistant for about 20 years, and I'm just kind of burnt out on it, and I wanted to try something new and something that I enjoy and that brings me joy. And guess what that is? Cleaning and organization. So I'm starting a cleaning and organization business, and if you are in my area, make sure to get a hold of me if you need my help or if I can come help you in any way. This is a very huge step for me, and I've been pretty fearful about it. I'm just going to be really transparent because, we're kind of in the middle of a pandemic, and stepping outside and trying something new is very frightening for me. I really appreciate the security of a paycheck every week, so it has been very frightening and scary, but I'm just going to do it. You have to close one door before the other one will open, and I just could not pursue anything I wanted to do being chained to my desk every day. So I'm just going to try this and see where it goes. I wanted to share something with you that I found that if you're wanting to try something new, maybe it'll be encouragement to you as it was to me. So, number one, if you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. Well, amen, because I was chained to a desk and I couldn't even try. If you don't ask, the answer will always be no. That one really spoke to me because I'm actually a very timid person and I'm very shy. Believe it or not, I know I'm on YouTube, but I really am. And so I never ask. And I'm sure that comes from my shyness. And if you don't step forward, you will always be in the same place. And here I was 20 years later in the same place, not fulfilling any of my dreams or trying. So I hope that this helps you as much as it helped me. And if you are wanting to pursue something, I hope it is very encouraging to you. Thank y'all so much for watching my video today. Make sure if you like this video that you hit the subscribe and the like button and share my videos with all your friends. My channel is just growing and growing, and I am so thankful for all y'all's support and helping me out. See y'all next time. Bye.